Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are continuing our ReactJS e-commerce series. In this video we'll be doing how to insert the checkbox value into our database using Laravel API. So guys, as we have seen that while adding or editing the product as normal input value, if we select this, it should store something, right? So it's not storing over here. So let me just show you. If we check this, it is 1, okay, which means it is true. So let me just show you the output. You can see it's 3 zeros. So we are on the product 2, guys. Now we have checked. Now let's click submit. Product updated successfully. Let's go back, let's refresh the table. Over here you can find that it's 0 0 0, okay. So it's not updated even when we checked. So guys, for this checkbox you need to handle in another method. So let me just show you how we were handling now. So guys, these are our checkbox, where you can find that checkbox over here with the handle input. So what is happening in the handle input? It's taking just a value from the product input, which is just setting the values. We are not checking it is checked or unchecked. That means it is true or false. So let me just show you this handle input, what it's doing. So at the top you can find here, guys, handle input, which is just taking the value, okay. So instead of value we need to check what is happening over there. So guys, now let's set that. So let's get back to our checkbox. First guys, let's change this to from handle input to handle checkbox, okay. And this one from product input to all checkbox, okay. Copy and just paste over here. Done. Now change this value to default checked, which will be okay, triple equal to 1. If it is 1 means then you are going to select either checked you can give, or you can just check with the true or false condition, true colon false, okay. So you can assign in this method also, or else you can follow up with single quotes checked else false, okay. So anyone you can follow up, guys. So now let's go and create a handle checkbox. So let's move top. Okay, so above the use effect, let's create a handle checkbox. Let me just copy from here and paste. And now guys, let's set the checkbox. So you can tell checkboxes, okay. And this input field, what you're going to give, that all checkbox. Let's copy that all checkbox and paste it. Done. And event.target.name, where you're going to check not values, you're going to check as checked, okay. And all set, guys. So you're going to give const of your all checkbox, where you're going to set this checkbox with the use state, open and close function, where array you're going to assign that inside, okay. So now let's take this, and you need to save, right? When you're clicking the submit, let's refresh first. We are facing error. What is it? Unexpected token. Let's handle that. Okay. Oops, this is a ternary condition, guys. We have missed that question mark. So just add that, okay. So we are just checking in a ternary condition. Let's leave, refresh. Yep, it's working fine. Now guys, when we submit this, at submit button, you need to update those data, this all checkboxes. So let's move to that place. So you're going to take this, and while updating your product, So we have passed that, right? Feature, popular and status over here. Let's pass that all checkboxes where you're going to check in ternary condition. If it is true means you're going to set 1, else you're going to set 0, guys. All set. And when you're going to this API update product, if you are given the ternary condition, let's go over there. This API, that is your Laravel application, under update function. Let's move below. Okay, so this is your feature products checkbox. Let's remove this ternary condition because we are sending the data from there only. So either you send the true or false or boolean values or normal like hobbies and all, you can just give like. And now guys, once we want to see that it is updated or not, so over here let's give a console.log function. Once if it is success means let's see what shows that all checkbox values. So yep, let's refresh once again, and other details. So I'm going to select with the first product and the last one. Okay, so submit. You can see guys that featured is true and status is true. Okay, let's go and see there. Browse, which will be 1 and 1. Cool. So now I'm going to select with this popular, submit. You can find the output which is 3 also is true. See the data. Perfect. So let's unselect this status which is submit. You can find that guys, feature is true, status is false and popular is true. Cool. So guys, we have successfully done with this, and one more thing we have to remove from here. So as you can see that here inside your set product of input you are sending, right? So let's remove that as simple. And so guys, now we have to see that this checkbox validation. So let us just refresh. Over here now you can see that under our database, under our products table, we can see that 1 and 0. Okay, so 1 means it is true, it should be, that means when we refresh this page it should be automatically checked. So guys, for that we have given the condition but it's not printing, so let's check that. Let's get back to our checkbox. So as simple guys, it is shown over here. We have given that, right? If it is 1 means it should be true, else it should be false. So now let's under this all checkbox, let's see that data is coming or not. Let's go to use effect. So when we are fetching the product data with the edit function, we are setting all the products over here, right? So set products which works on with this data. So product input of data is coming. So same way you need to get for the checkboxes also. So let's copy this checkboxes, set checkboxes, and just pass the same data. If you want, you can pass by single or just push it at once only. It will just take automatically that fields. So all checkbox of featured or popular status. So now yes guys, let's save and let's see the output. Let's refresh now. Let's go to other details. Perfect guys, so it's automatically selected. Okay, so we are not going to check because over here it's 1 which means it will select that. So let me just uncheck this and let's select this and submit. So this and this should be 1 and popular will be 0. So let's see over here, browse. Cool. So 1 and this is 0, popular. Now let's refresh and see guys, exact output is coming or not. Perfect. So guys, we have successfully done with how to insert the checkbox value into our database in ReactJS using API. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video, and let's continue next video with the new topic. So thank you once again.